Hi everyone, welcome to the another video of Postman series. So today in this video, we are going to learn about how to integrate the Postman with the Slack. So in a Postman, we all know we can create collections and we can create the variables, right? The similar way we can create the API monitoring, right? So where you can, you can create some monitor through the collections and you can, monitor them, right? So for example, you have such a situations like a 10 to 20 APIs that is running on the production environment. You want to make sure that, always the API is up and running, right? So you will be checking those status on interval of like every 1 hour or every 10 minutes, right? So to get the things up and running always, right? So for that, we'll create a monitor in Postman. So where you can schedule the monitors and you can get notified through the email, right? So now another way, if you want to monitor your APIs, you can use the same option as a monitoring, and you can get integrated with the Slack. So if there are any status failure or pause, you can get notified through the some channels that you have configured in the Slack. Okay, so that is what we are going to see now. So this is a Postman, and this is some sample API where I have where I downloaded from the Swagger Pet Store. So this is a API. Okay, so when you click on this option, so in the options you can see, yeah. So here you can see as a monitor, right? So this is a monitoring option. So Postman has integrated with multiple, channels like platforms where you can notify. You can share the alerts or notifications to these kind of applications, right? So New Relic APM is there, and Big Panda is there, Microsoft Teams is there, and Slack, right? So you can integrate them all these applications. So now we are going to see about the Slack, right? So bring Postman monitor notification to in your Slack channel. Okay. So when you click on this, so it will establish the connection first. Okay, so that will be open in the browser. So the first thing is we have to set it up, right? So the integrations means like you have to confirm, you have to confirm your authentications, right? So that authentication will open like this. So you have to click on the continue. So when you do the first time, no, it will ask you for the details of Slack, and it will ask you for the what kind of channels, not channels. So it will ask you for the username, password kind of authorization stuff, and it will ask you for the your workspace, right? So this is my workspace. Okay, since I have configured, it is coming like this. So now what you have to know, you have to select particular channel that you want. Okay, so now this is mine. Okay, so let me refresh. I'm not getting the channels here. Okay, so now we can see this is my workspace, right? So Saravanan, Seenivasan, Slack workspace. This is the workspace where I have integrated. So this is content about you. What we'll look for. So here you can see these are the channels I have. Okay, so when I go here, you can see this is a channel 2 on the APIs, alerts, general, random. This is the one, right? So we are going to select as a API alerts. Okay, this is a channel. So workspace is, this is my workspace, Saravanan Seenivasan workspace. In the workspace, I have different channels. So I'm just, setting the things to post all the monitoring results to the particular channel, which is API alerts. Okay. So when you click on allow, so the authorization is done. Okay, you are authorized now. Now we can go back to the Postman. Okay. So now, okay, so now we can close this window and we can continue in the Postman tab. Okay, so once you have established a connection, so here you can see added on integration to this channel Postman, right? So once this is done, then you can see in the app section of Slack. So the Postman will be get added. So now when you back to the Postman, so here you can see the connect to Slack options, right? So this window will load automatically. So here we can give some names like so test APIs, okay? And you have to select the monitors. Okay, so here I have monitors like this. So this is a monitor what I have created, my test monitor, right? So I'm just selecting this test monitor. And this webhook URL, it is coming from the Slack automatically since we have done the integration. Okay. So now this channel also we have mentioned in the Slack when you do the connection time. So API alerts. So just click on the add integrations. So once this is done, now you can see the details here. Okay, so here you can see collection based monitors, and this is my monitor name, and this is there are no runs here, and you can see connected with the Slack, right? So now you can simply click on the run button to run this monitor. Okay, I'm just clicking on the run monitor. Okay, so now we can see this is last run was completed, right? So you can go by to detail about this. So here you can see, and you can see the results and the response, everything. Okay. So meanwhile, yeah, so this is done on 127, which is my local system time. So now we'll go to the Postman channel. Let's see if we are getting the alerts or not. So here you can see we are getting the alerts, right? So basically I have this under this collection, under this monitor, I have a 1 and 2 request where I have returned some test cases to validate the status code. So here you can see the status is success, right? So number of tests is 2 and the total request are 2. And what is the response time, everything, right? So by integrating like this, you can get to notified through the Slack channel. Okay, so that's all about this video. So you can also try. Okay, you have to create some APIs and make sure you have monitors, and we can integrate like this. Okay, so here that is showing as a connected with Slack, right? So that's all about this video to integrate our Postman with the Slack notification system. Thanks for watching. Have a good day.